All right, welcome back, guys. Today we're discovering the 7 Mile ORV Park. I just want to give a quick shout out to my dad. He did a whole bunch of walking and filming in this video, so thanks, Dad. He's a huge help. Starting off, as soon as you go in the park, you go left, you're going to kind of start off with this whip section. Super fun. I definitely took it way slow. It's my only vehicle, it's my daily driver, so I don't want to wreck it yet. I know it has the 8112s on it, so I could probably take this at like twice the speed. I definitely babied into it, but no, super fun. You can kind of hear the 8112s like clicking through their uh different zones of control or valving, whatever they call it. I Yeah, hearing a little bit your own, but yeah, no, I could have literally gone twice the speed through this. It was pretty fun though. Yeah, you can see I got a little bit of air, nothing crazy, but just enough to have some fun. Yeah, right there you could hear them kind of clicking away. I think we thought it was actually the tailgate bouncing around, but I'm pretty sure it was actually the shocks. Anyways, we move on to one of our first hill climbs here. Just for reference, the tires are at about 10 psi. It's kind of cool to see it go over that root or log back there. Just kind of seeing the tire deform around it. It's kind of sweet to watch. This is more steeper than it looks. Of course, the cameras can't capture everything. Um, yeah, a little off camber section here, trying to get the suspension to kind of flex out, see if I can get stuck, because this is a perfect place to try and do something like that. But up, climbed right up, put the locker on, front locker, and yeah, first hill, no problem.
Ah! It's hooked up. Was it spinning both of them, or is it just this one?
Both were spinning.
Oh, good, good.
Thought you were gonna trophy truck it up there.
I gotta slow down a little bit, so. No problem.
All right, this hill was pretty fun. It was kind of at an angle, so it's fun to try to go up it and do a little bit of a sort of a power slide going up the hill. You could kind of hear me asking my dad if both tires were spinning. I have a limited slip diff in the back, so this is a good place to test it and see if it's kind of locking them up or not. All right, now we move over to another hill. This one looked pretty fun because it's kind of overgrown. No one's really been on it much, and there's this big old root in the middle. I was super curious to see how the truck would do going over it. Again, doesn't look that crazy on camera, but in person it was quite the big step up. So yeah, here, check it out. How's it looking? Think the bumper will hit? Hard to tell from here.
Well, bumper's way over it, but you're gonna slide to the left. I think you're gonna have to steer left because it's not gonna. It's gonna want to tear your front end apart.
Not too bad.
now we transition into the woods here. This is a pretty cool part of the park. Definitely gets a lot tighter in some spots where you can't really even fit a truck through it, so more of like a dirt bike or ATV trail area, but found one that was wide enough for the truck to go up. This one also was super fun. It was very off camber, like a very hard lean, I guess, towards the left going up the hill. Definitely feel like the truck was gonna tip at one point. I don't know how well it's gonna capture on camera here, but yeah, once I get past this tree, it really leans hard on the left side, and yeah, it felt like it was leaning a lot. But here, take a look.
Walker.
Well, that did not look bad at all. I think it's definitely different being in the driver's seat. I think coming down here is where it felt like it was tipping a little bit more, but yeah, this looks like nothing. But no, definitely cool. Had some routes to go over, but definitely pretty steep.
It really feels like it's leaning hard.
Yeah, the left rear is getting a little light.
All right, we enter the big sandy pit area, kind of like the dunes. Um, it's a pretty fun area. All the hills here are just giant sandy hills that are pretty soft. If you just go straight up them, it's not too hard. You know, if you're in four-wheel drive, you can make it up. Or you can put it in two-wheel drive, you just have to be on the throttle and you could make it up most of them. So I was trying to find a couple hills I could go up at an angle here to try and make them a little bit more difficult, just because going straight up and down isn't that bad. Yeah, I think there's one pretty soft one here I hit that kind of gets me stuck. Yeah, those two hills I took up in two-wheel drive just makes it a little bit more harder and have a little bit more fun trying to get some wheel speed going up. But yeah, this one here is the one where this top section gets super soft, and right now I'm four low, first gear, front lockers on, and it's just digging under. You know, this is same thing, 10 psi on the tires. I probably could have aired down a little bit more to try to get a better contact patch to stay on top of the surface. Or I probably could have just throttled up a little bit more, trying to get some more momentum hitting this. But yeah, no, this was a little bit spooky because on the right side of that hill I'm going up, it's super steep down in that ravine, and I did not like it. It felt like when I was backing up, the truck sliding down into it, and I'm not trying to tip over the truck up here. So, yeah, I think I did 2 attempts here. I'm not sure if I even tried again on it. But yeah, no, I didn't. I ended up just doing the hill next to it because I was like, nope, not gonna tip over today. Yep, now we just moved over to do another hill. This one's just, yeah, four-wheel drive going straight up. It's just, yeah, it's pretty easy going up from four-wheel drive, but still a ton of fun. It feels pretty steep in person. And then, yeah, we're gonna move over to the back side of the park now. These ones I think are maybe a tad steeper, kind of the same sanding material. But yeah, just like the other ones, they're kind of too easy if you just go straight up the hill. So I like to try and make it a little bit harder, see if I, can't get stuck. So this one I went up at an angle. There's kind of like a berm here that's super soft. I'm kind of taking at an angle, trying to drive over the top. It was cool to see the front locker, watching the front tires engage here. You can see how they're both spinning. I normally try to take it really easy when the front's locked, just because it's an independent front truck. It's a lot of stress going on that front driveline component with 37s and all. So this is kind of the first day I pushed it a little bit, keeping the front engaged and locked and all. So all right, now we move on to this giant ravine in the middle of the hill. Yeah, it's pretty steep. I really got to test out the flexing on the truck here. I did a lot of clearance to get the tires to fit, so this was kind of good validation. Nothing rubbed, so it was pretty cool to go over that. It's just a bummer. The cameras don't do it justice. It was really, really deep. It almost felt
I
like I
think
was
the right
rocking on
rear was
two
in the air a
tires,
little
but
bit.
yeah, not too bad. I had to hit it again just because it was pretty fun the first time, but yeah, you could kind of tell right there. It's decently deep. It swallowed up the tire pretty good, but ultimately, yeah, not too bad. All right, you'll have to let me know down in the comments if this looks normal or not, but it just seems like my front tires were kind of angling in a little bit going up the hill here. The front's locked. I know there's a lot of torque kind of going through that front drive line and stuff, but it just seemed like they're, I don't know, being kind of towed in a little bit. Maybe I need to get in alignment, but everything seems fine. But yeah, just looking at that, it just seemed little odd, a little off to me.
Oh, I didn't see that coming. What? Oh yeah, I think if you would have walked it, it probably would have walked up, but you start hitting the throttle.
All right, this was the last hill that we did. It was pretty steep and very soft at this top section here. Yeah, same thing. I was four low first gear, front locker on. and it was just digging in. So this is the first time I kind of pushed it
Huh?
a little bit, keeping that locker on. So I put it in 4 high, and yeah, just kind of throttled up through it.